case of COVID, if lockdown was pronounced in one region, would be able to fall back to another region. If there was a disaster in one region, we should be able to fall back to the other region. We have similar other 4 regional centers. This was a regional center that has now been upgraded to do that function. We want to thank the KfW, German government through KfW, who facilitated the upgrading of this station from a regional control center to a national control center. And as commissioned today, we have a fallback, and therefore we are more confident in terms of supporting the network to even have a better availability than we have had before. When we talk about visibility, hii ni kusema kwamba kila chombo ya muhimu penye iwepo Kenya mzima tunaiona. Panapo tunaona iko shida kidogo, we can actually remotely control from here. We can pull it out of the network, we can close it and bring in another supporting infrastructure. If you want to divert power from one region to another region, you can do it from this center.
Nao aikari a itura ria Nyari guko ni gicigo mbunge kia